Vision and Sound is a program that promotes African American art and demonstrate that our art should be visible to the entire community to understand what we have experienced. We have worked with about 25 Black artists who are from Phoenix, from New York, from California. The art that is represented here at the West Valley Art Museum is expressive of African American or American life. You could probably spend 2 or 3 hours here checking out all this beautiful work and reading the stories behind them. Patricia Bohannon, one of the artists, she exemplifies and talks about heroes during the African American eras. Our photographer, you'll love going through each of his pieces and trying to understand what he was feeling when he did this photography. We love music and we wanted to include it in our presentations. A string jazz concert was something very unusual. We had a violin, we had a bass player, the drums, Sandra Bassett, who is a fabulous jazz artist. It is a fabulous way to present jazz music. We have a couple of other events coming up in Peoria that we're excited about. With the City of Peoria, we love the arts here, and we're hoping that the residents will come out and really enjoy what we're presenting.